friends, welcome to Kids Book Buddy. And today's book is going to be Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. Pete the cat is in for a groovy surprise when his teacher is out sick. And the new teacher is his mom. So, are you excited to see how funny Pete's mom is going to be at school? She'll take them to the wrong location. But the students know she's new for the school, so they help her know where the places are. So, let's start reading. Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. Hello, my name is Mrs. Cat. But she didn't really write that. Pete is ready for school. Where is Mom? Pete asks. She has a surprise for you, says Pete's dad. Pete goes to the school. His mom is there. What a surprise. Hi class, I am Mrs. Cat, says Pete's mom. I am a substitute teacher. I will need your help today, says Pete's mom. What do we do first? Art, says Pete. Yeah, says the class. The class lines up. Pete's mom leads the line. Is this art? Asks Pete's mom. No, that's Jim. Boing. This is not art. This is Jim. Stay and play, says the gym teacher. The class plays. Gym is fun with more kids, says Pete. Gym is over. Pete's mom takes the class to art. No, that's not art, that's music. La la la. This is not art, this is music. Stay and sing, says the music teacher. The class sings. We are louder with more kids, says Pete. Rumble. Pete is hungry. Time for lunch. This is not the lunchroom. This is the playground. Let's have a picnic, says Pete. Aw, I wish I could have that. Now it's time for art, says Pete's mom. Everyone cheers. Pete leads the class. Is this art? Asks Pete's mom. Yep. It is. Lots of kids are making art. Oh no, says the art teacher. It is too late to join us. The day is almost over. The class goes to their classroom. I know, says Pete. Let's make art here, he says. Okay, says Pete's mom. Pete calls a huddle, whisper, whisper. The class plans a surprise. Pete draws, Callie makes paper cats. Everyone helps. Thank you, Mrs. Cat. Surprise, says Pete. The class made art for Pete's mom. Thank you, Mrs. Cat, says the class. We had a great day with you. Sometimes a different day is an awesome day. Today we read Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. You guys know something? When I was way back in pre-K, my mom came for a visit, but, the teacher and my mom worked together, but my mom taught us yoga. That was really fun. And let's see the books we read. We read Pete the Cat, Too Cool for School, Pete the Cat, Pete at the Beach, Pete the Cat, Play Ball, Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch. So we need to read from here is these 4, and we read these 4. So let's start reading. The end.